A mother was left permanently disfigured after she fell face first onto a curling iron. Damn, I used a curling iron this morning. Kinda scared now. What is good? This is IO. I'm Charlotte Dobre. If you're new here, we do the news and we make it entertaining. Hit that sub button and follow InformOverload on Instagram. Most women, and some men, like to style their hair with hot styling tools like straighteners or curling irons. Yes, some guys use hot styling tools too. I once dated a guy who straightened his hair. It didn't last long, but that's not the point. The point is, when you're using a hot styler, you almost never think about the fact that they are dangerous. And Brittany Sullivan found that out the hard way. 32-year-old Brittany Sullivan is from Cleburne, Texas, and she was getting ready for work one day in January of 2018. She was in her bathroom curling her hair using hot curling tongs. But see, Brittany Sullivan suffers from epilepsy. She was diagnosed with epilepsy in 2013 and had an epileptic fit while she was curling her hair, and evidently fell on top of her curling iron. The married mother of 3 was found by her 8-year-old daughter unconscious on the bathroom floor and face down on top of the hot curling tongs she was using. She said, "I started the morning like any other morning. I was standing in my bathroom curling my hair and getting ready for work. The next thing I knew, I'd woken up in a hospital." As a result of this accident, Brittany was rushed to the hospital. She suffered 3rd-degree burns and had to undergo 6 separate surgeries, including a full skin graft on the whole right side of her face. She spent a total of 12 days in the hospital. In order to reconstruct her face, a skin expander was inserted into her face for 4 months until last April. After she woke up in the hospital, it took Brittany a whole week before she could look at herself in the mirror. Permanently disfigured, Brittany was afraid. She was afraid her husband was gonna leave her, afraid her children would be scared of the way she looked. Brittany said, "I have since I was a child thought I was ugly, and that I had to work hard to be beautiful. I decided to be beautiful and show the beauty within me." She's not afraid, but she admits that she's a lot more cautious now. She teaches her daughters the dangers but doesn't want them to be afraid because of what happened to her. Thankfully, even though the curler burnt her right eyelid, she can still see and she has 20/20 vision. Her eyelids did have to be reconstructed. In January of this year, she had to undergo surgery to have her eyelids, nose, and lip repaired. Then her eyelid had to be redone because the skin graft didn't take the first time. Just an awful situation. All because of a damn curling iron. Brittany wants everyone to know her story and to remind you that you are beautiful no matter what you look like. It's insane that this happened on just a normal day when Brittany was just getting ready for work. It could happen to pretty much anyone. So always take care when you're using hot styling tools, especially when you have a condition like epilepsy or if you have low blood pressure and you're prone to fainting. For now, I'm gonna wrap up this video with some comments. Josu said, "I couldn't concentrate on the news because Charlotte's earrings are so distracting because they're so pretty." They're like fans. Fan you. Fan. Drunk Cape said, "I think Charlotte has a puppy called Johnny. I wish Johnny was my puppy. I want a puppy." Kiara said, "Okay, but let's talk about that outfit. You seriously have the best choice of outfits. You look so good in them." You're cute! Yeah. Emma Keel said, "This is, as usual, a greatly constructed and executed video. Thanks Charlotte and the IO team. You are very welcome. Thank you. I'm so glad that you enjoyed it." This is the end screen though. It means that this video is over, but if you want to keep watching, there's a playlist right over here that you should definitely check out. And obviously, if you like this video, or if you learned something today, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I can see you in a future IO video.